Subtraction. Let's recall. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. Subtraction means taking away smaller number from a larger number. Minus is the sign of subtraction. The number from which we subtract is called the minute. The number which is subtracted from the minute is called the subtrahend. The result is called the difference. Here 8 minus 3 which is equal to 5. 8 is called minute, 3 is called subtrahend, 5 is called the difference. Subtract numbers using the number strip. One has been done for you. 19 minus 4. There are 19. In that you need to subtract 14. You need to subtract 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer will be 5. 12 minus 0. Anything subtracted 0 is the number itself. When you subtract 0 from any number, it will be the number itself. 12 minus 0 which is equal to 12. 13 minus 13 which is 0. 18 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1. So the answer is 12. 18 minus 6 is 12. Subtract the following. 68 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 the same. 6 minus 0 which is 6. So the answer is 64. 49 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. The answer is 44. 78 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. So the answer is 71. 88 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 0 is 8. So the answer is 83. Subtraction. Subtracting one digit number from a two digit number with regrouping. Example. Ashmit had 95 crayons. Ajay took 8 crayons from him. How many crayons were left with Ashmit? For this you need to subtract 95 minus 8 which is equal to 87. To know the number of crayons Ashmit was left with, he had to subtract 8 from 95. But Ashmit was unable to solve since there were not enough ones, as 5 is less than 8. So he could not subtract 8 ones from 5 ones. He needed to regroup. Subtract 8 from 95. Subtract the ones. Since 8 cannot be subtracted from 5, borrow 1 10 from the tens column and regroup the ones column as 10 ones plus 5 ones which is equal to 15 ones. 1 tens plus 5 ones which is equal to 15 ones. Now subtract 8 ones from 15 ones. 15 minus 8 which is equal to 7. 15 minus 8 which is equal to 7. So write 7 in the ones column. Subtract the tens. Since 1 10 is borrowed by the ones column, 9 tens have become now 8 tens. 8 minus 0 which is equal to 8 tens. Thus 95 minus 8 which is equal to 87. So Ashmit was left with 87 crayons. Subtracting two digit number from a two digit number with regrouping. Manisha wore a necklace which had 43 pearls. The necklace broke and she lost 17 pearls. How many pearls were left in the necklace? To find the number of pearls left, subtract 17 from 43. Subtract the ones. Here 43 minus 17. Since 7 cannot be subtracted from 3, borrow 1 10 from the tens column and regroup the ones column as 10 ones plus 3 ones, which is equal to 13 ones. 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6. So 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6 ones. Write 6 in the ones column. Write it here. Subtract the tens. Since 1 10 is borrowed by the ones column, 4 tens have become now 3 tens. 3 minus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Thus, 43 minus 17 is 26. So, 26 pearls were left in the necklace. Practice coach. Subtract the following. 44 minus 9. So, 4 cannot be subtracted. So, 1 you need to borrow from here. It will be 14. 14 minus 9, which is equal to 5. Since 1 is taken, so here it will be 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 35. 74 minus 5. So 4 you cannot subtract 5 from 4. So 1 you need to borrow from here. It will be 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here it will be 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. 93 minus 8. 1 you need to borrow from here. 13 minus 8 is 5. Here the 8 will be left. 8 minus 0 is 8. 32 minus 8. Need to borrow 1 from here. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, which is equal to 5. Here 0 will be left. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 65 minus 29. 1 you need to borrow from here. So 15 minus 9 is 6. Here 5 will be left. 5 minus 2 is 3. 85 minus 17. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Here 7 will be left. 7 minus 1 is 6. 92 minus 46. 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 will be left. 8 minus 4 is 4. 43 minus 25. 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 will be left. 3 minus 2 is 1. Maths around you. Sun rises and the night falls. We call it a day. We know that 7 days make a week. Different months have different number of days. After we go to school and study well for almost 6 days, we get Sunday when we play and enjoy. Let us play an activity to find out the number of days left for Sunday in this week. Write down all the weekdays starting from Monday and number them like Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday is 5, Saturday is 6, Sunday is 7. What's the total number? If it is Wednesday, today's number is 3. From this clue, find out how many days are left for Sunday. In the same way, find out how many days are left in this month. Subtraction facts. If we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. 24 minus 0 is the number itself, that is 24. 34 minus 0 is 34. 78 minus 0 is 78. If a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. Example, 35 minus 35 is 0. 47 minus 47 is 0. 92 minus 92 is 0. Practice coach. Subtract using the subtraction facts. 32 minus 0 is 32. 65 minus 65 is 0. 43 minus 43 is 0. 56 minus 0 is 56. 76 minus 0 is 76. 82 minus 82 is 0. 87 minus 87 is 0. 99 minus 0 is 99. 80 minus 80 is 0. 92 minus 92 is 0. Checking subtraction using addition. Ricky is an intelligent boy as he always checks his subtraction using addition. We can check subtraction by adding the difference to the subtrahend. So 64 minus 14, which is equal to 50. When you add the subtrahend and the difference, you should get the minute. That is 14 plus 50, which is equal to 64. 50 plus 14, which is equal to 64. In a subtraction problem, if the sum of difference and subtrahend is equal to minute, then the answer is correct. Practice coach. Check your subtraction using addition. 84 minus 59. 14 minus 9 is 5. Here 7 minus 5 is 2. So you need to add 59 plus 25. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 here. 1 carry forward. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. The answer is 84. So the subtraction is correct. 53 minus 18. 13 minus 8 is 5. So 4 minus 1 is 3. You need to add 18 plus 35. 8 plus 5, which is equal to 13. 1 carry forward. 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 53. 68 minus 29. 18 minus 9 is 9. So 1 is left. So 5, 1 you have given here. So the 5 will be left. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now you need to add 29 plus 39. Here 29 plus 39. 9, 9, 18. 1 carry forward. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 68. 90 minus 50. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. 40. Now you need to add 50 plus 40. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 90. Word problem. A shopkeeper brought 67 fruit juice packs and sold 45 of them. How many juice packs were left with him? Number of fruit juice packs brought is 67. Number of fruit juice packs sold is 45. Number of fruit juice packs left is 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 22. Thus 22 fruit juice packs were left with the shopkeeper. Practice coach. A vendor sold 54 mangoes on Monday and 72 mangoes on Tuesday. How many more mangoes were sold on Tuesday as compared to Monday? Number of mangoes sold on Tuesday is 72. Number of mangoes sold on Monday is 54. Number of more mangoes sold is, you need to subtract 72 minus 54. 2, you cannot subtract 4. 1 you need to borrow. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Here 6 will be left. 6 minus 5 is 1. Number of more mangoes sold is 18 mangoes. 60 students enrolled for a school trip. 42 students turned up for the trip. How many students did not go? Number of students enrolled for trip is 60. Number of students went to the trip is 42. So, number of students didn't go to the trip. You need to subtract 60 minus 42. 1 you need to borrow from here. So, it will be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 5 will be left. 5 minus 4 is 1. Number of students didn't go to the trip is 18 students. Aru has 90 shells. He gives 66 shells to his sister. How many shells are left with him? Number of shells Arav have, which is equal to 90. Number of shells Arav gives to his sister is 66. Number of shells left. For that you need to subtract 90 minus 66. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 will be left. 8 minus 6 is 2. 24 shells. Shivam bought a pack of colored pencils. The shopkeeper asked for rupees 13. Shivam gave him 30 by mistake. How much extra money did he give to the shopkeeper? The shopkeeper returned the extra money to Shivam immediately. Which human values was shown by the shopkeeper? Present your views in 5 lines in your class on the importance of this value in our lives. Fun with maths. Subtract the number on the top from the numbers given below and write the difference in the space provided. 48 minus 28 is 20. 51 minus 28 is 23. 73 minus 28 is 45. 97 minus 28 is 69. 41 minus 34 is 7. 47 minus 34 is 13. 55 minus 34 is 21. 65 minus 34 is 31. 74 minus 34 is 40. Maths lab activity. Objective: to solve subtraction problems. Materials required: notebook and pencil. Method: teacher should create a square grid as given below and keep it with herself or himself. Select any 2 random numbers from the grid and ask students to subtract the numbers in their notebooks. Whoever solves first gets 10 marks. Continue the process till all the numbers are subtracted from one another. Student with the highest score will win. Revision station. Complete the following tables. Less than, minus 10, difference. So 57, 67 minus 10 is 57, 73 minus 10 is 63, 89 minus 10 is 79, 43 minus 10 is 33, 85 minus 10 is 75. 15 less, 50 minus 15 is 35, 60 minus 15 is 45, 87 minus 52 is 15 is 72, 93 minus 15 is 78, 98 minus 15 is 83. Choose the correct option. A book has 80 pages. Mohan read 66 pages. How many pages are left to be read? 80 minus 66, which is equal to 14. Shalini has 39 Indian stamps and some foreign stamps. There are 87 stamps in total. How many foreign stamps are there? So it is 87 minus 39, which is equal to 48. A sports shop has 43 cricket bats and some cricket balls. If the total number of items is 95, how many balls are there? So it is 95 minus 43, which is 52. Always remember that minute is equal to subtrahend plus difference. Match the following. 54 minus 23 is 31. 89 minus 60 is 29. 67 minus 39 is 28. 73 minus 59 is 14. Worksheet. Subtract the following. Now match your answers with the numbers given alongside. Using the color code of this number, color the picture given below. 82 minus 26. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 7 minus 2 is 5, 56. So the answer is 56. 75 minus 29. 15 minus 9 is 6. Here 5 will be left. Here 5 will be left. 6 will be left. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 46. 43 minus 14. 13 minus 4 is 9. Here 3 will be left. 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer is 29. 38 minus 19. 18 minus 9 is 9. Here 2 will be left. 2 minus 1 is 1. 19. 53 minus 25. 1 you need to borrow from here. So it is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here 4 will be left. 4 minus 2 is 2. 28. 61 minus 37. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here 5 will be left. 5 minus 3 is 2. 96 minus 46. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 87 minus 39. 1 you need to borrow from here. 17 minus 9 is 8. Here 7 will be left. 7 minus 3 is 4. 48. 46 minus 18. 1 you need to borrow from here. 16 minus 8 is 8. Here 3 will be left. 3 minus 1 is 2. 28. 55 minus 27. 15 minus 7 is 8 here. 4 will be left. 4 minus 2 is 2. 28. 58 minus 19. 18. 1 you need to borrow from here. 18 minus 9 is 9. Here 4 will be left. 4 minus 1 is 3. 30 minus 13. So 1 you need to borrow from here. 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 2 will be left. 2 minus 1 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. 17. Here there are the color codes. You need to color. This completes subtraction.